You're eating healthy, sticking to salads and powering through your day, but you still feel bloated or tired. What if your healthy habits are actually harming your gut? Your gut is a complex ecosystem, home to trillions of microbes that impact everything from digestion to mood. When this ecosystem is out of balance, it can trigger inflammation and discomfort. Today I'm Elias, and I'll reveal 3 common gut health mistakes you might be making and how to fix them with simple, science-backed swaps. Let's dive in. Let's talk breakfast. You grab granola, flavored yogurt, or a smoothie. Sounds healthy, right? But most of these are packed with added sugars, which feed the bad bacteria in your gut. High-sugar breakfasts fuel inflammation and crowd out the good microbes, leading to bloating, fatigue, and even brain fog. Research shows that too much sugar shifts your gut bacteria toward harmful strains and damages your gut lining. The fix? Build your breakfast around protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Try eggs with spinach and avocado, or plain Greek yogurt topped with berries and chia seeds. For smoothies, skip the juice. Use unsweetened almond milk, protein powder, greens, and a handful of berries. Always check the added sugars line on nutrition labels. By swapping sugar for protein, fat, and fiber, you'll nourish your gut and set yourself up for better energy all day. It's not about skipping breakfast. It's about making it work for your gut. Start your day by feeding the good guys inside you. Small changes here make a big difference. Your gut will thank you. Mistake 2. Eating the same healthy foods every day. A repetitive diet starves your gut microbiome of diversity, making it weaker and less resilient. Science shows the healthiest guts belong to people who eat the widest variety of plants. Aim for 30 different types a week. Plants aren't just veggies and fruit nuts, seeds, whole grains, beans, herbs, and spices all count. Each plant feeds different beneficial bacteria, building a stronger, more balanced gut. Start small, add flax seeds and berries to your oatmeal, swap in whole grain bread, or toss extra veggies into your dinner. Make it a game. How many colors can you get on your plate today? Shop for 1 new plant food each week. The goal isn't restriction, but addition. More plant variety means a more robust gut and better health overall. Don't let your gut become a monoculture. Diversity is the secret to a thriving internal ecosystem. Mix it up, and your gut will flourish. The third mistake? Ignoring the gut-brain connection. Chronic stress disrupts your gut, no matter how perfect your diet is. Stress hormones like cortisol change your gut bacteria, slow digestion, and increase gut permeability, leading to inflammation and discomfort. Even the best food can't fix a stressed-out gut. The solution? Manage stress daily. Take 5 minutes for deep, slow breathing to calm your nervous system. Move your body. A short walk can lower stress hormones and help your gut reset. Prioritize sleep. It's when your gut repairs itself. Schedule stress relief like you schedule meals. A calm mind means a healthier gut. Don't overlook your second brain. Addressing stress is essential for true gut health. Heal your gut by healing your mind. So those are the 3 gut health mistakes. Hidden sugars at breakfast, a boring diet, and ignoring stress. The fix? Simple, consistent changes. Swap sugary breakfasts, add plant variety, and manage stress. You don't need perfection, just smart, steady steps. Your gut health is in your hands, starting today. Which mistake surprised you most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.